and it's been quite an eventful journey. So what have been the learnings and what have been the major highlights of the journey?
One of the most important learnings was cash is king. So, in our early journey, we ran out of cash very soon, and we had to, figure out ways in which we could build a business with minimum cash. The first thing was learnt about the importance of having experimenting with minimum amount of cash, proving the product, whatever you are taking as a product you're taking to the market, experimenting with a shoestring budget, getting that traction right at the minimum cost, and proving that in a very small market first and then scaling was an important lesson that we learned. Don't burn your money on marketing without having proven that your product is 100% going to get traction. So that was one important lesson that we learned. And the other important lesson, I would say, during the whole failing process, keeping the team together and accepting that failure is going to be part of the journey and not giving up, and the grit coming in play was a second important lesson. I would say that our ability to handle failure and ability to move faster from that failure, extracting the learnings from those failures. When I say extracting the there are two types of failures, right? One is the product or the service that you build with certain hypothesis and that hypothesis doesn't work. That is one type of failure, which is fine, because you reach to a particular product only through failures and improving your product based on the feedback that you are getting because you have failed. The other is that you have not been able to successfully create a product for, let's say, 1 year or 2 years, and then still sticking to it and keep pivoting to be able to find one such product which you will be able to scale, was the second type of failure. So in both the cases, it was important to extract those lessons and keep moving forward. In the second one, which is, I would say the grit and determination and ability to keep bouncing back and staying the course around your broader vision is an important lesson that we learned during our initial journey.